What is up, YouTube? It's your girl OrlandoQponQueen back with another video. So if you guys are watching this, I want you guys to run, not walk, run to your local Walmart because a lot of toys are 75% off. So I'm at a kind of local Walmart. I've been venturing out further because I'm just trying to expand my horizons with Walmarts. It's been working or it hasn't been working. I'm at a Walmart in Sanford. If you guys are local, I'm at the Ryan Hart Walmart. Yeah, so let's see what we can find. A couple things I want to go over. I think I say this in like almost every video. Don't forget that I do have a how to look for clearance at your stores video. It should be like the very first video you should see on the top. I think it's for like returning subscribers. You guys can see it like on desktop or something. I don't know how it works on mobile phone. I think it will show up. And I use BrickSeek to search and hunt for clearance. Another thing a lot of people were asking was, what do I use to scan? I use the Walmart app. Make sure that your Walmart app is always updated before you enter the store, and your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is always on, and the Wi-Fi is connected to the Wi-Fi for the store. Sometimes it might pull up a different store, like let's say you were at like another store like 20 minutes away. It might be still registered to that store, and then your prices might differ. So couple tips. Right when I enter the store, I see like a haul, like, well, an aisle of clearance. Hello, clearance. So these are hangers $1.50, which I desperately need. So this is a great find for me because I'm trying to redo my closet, and guess what, now I could do it in peace with hangers. So I'm excited for this. Probably buy 3 for my children too. So there we have some hangers. My very first find. I'm trying to talk really loud because the music and I don't want to get copyrighted, so let's talk loud and fast. Okay, this one right here, it shows $10 on clearance, but it was actually like about $20. Now it is only $7, so $7 for these. That is not bad, but I did buy mine for $4, so keep an eye on these. If you need it, then it's $7, and I will just put a little thingy here showing you that it's $7, but it was on clearance for 10. Now it's 7. Okay, so far I am loving this store, music and all, but let me stop. Okay, so we have this one here, which was retail to $20, and as you guys can see, it was marked down yesterday for $8, so about 70% off for that one. Same thing over here. This one was $20 and now it is $8. Actually, I'm gonna go show you. That was a fail. Let me show you guys some barcodes. Just go ahead and pause the video and then scan it to see if it's available at your store. Then we have this Disney Junior Mickey one. This is the barcode for that one. Then I did find this one. This one was on BrickSeek. It only showed that there was like 2 in stock, and I actually found one. So this one here is the Coco Melon Sing and Learn laptop. It was, I think, $30 or $20. I don't know, but now it is $5 for this. Can you believe that? Big ol' head. Anyways, here is a barcode for that one. This one over here is an awesome find. So this one's $149, but guess what? It is actually on clearance for $35. I know I showed you guys this at like 2 other locations and it was still at $75, and now at this store it's actually $35. So it's like a cute little pelican little thing. It's like for them to work out. It's super cute. If my children were a lot smaller, then I would have bought it in it, but they're not. So you guys can see here it was $149, then it got dropped down to $89, then it got dropped down to $50, but now it's $35. So let me go ahead and show you guys the barcode for this one. Is a barcode for that one. And yeah, gonna continue. There's so much on clearance here. I'm like in clearance heaven right now. When I tell you guys this store is packed with markdowns, it is packed with markdowns. So all these tags are actually lower than what it shows. So this was like the first round. Remember I was telling you guys this is like the first round of markdowns, and now it's like even lower. So it's up to like 70% off. I found this Barbie color reveal changing thing. It was $15 and now it's $6.66. I don't like that number, so I'm not gonna buy it, but hey, $6 for that one. There is a lot here, a lot. Look at those. These weren't they like so hard to find during Christmas? I actually bought one for my daughter. It's super cute. I love doing it for some weird reason. I want to buy like the little refills for it. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you guys know that I posted a whole story about these, the little Real Littles Disney backpack with like real little supplies in it. It's so cute. But you guys, I found it on clearance for $250. So this is $2.50. Okay, it's normally priced at $9. We found this frozen cute little doll that it retails to, I think, like $10, and it's $1.50. So this one's like almost 90% off. So $1.50 for her. These are more of the real littles. These are actually, I think they're retail to like $9 also, or $7. And guess what? They are on clearance for $1.50. $1.50 for these. These are like little mock-up, little tiny handbags with like real looking things in here. That it's kind of like the mini brands. They're kind of competing with the mini brands, but they actually have like little items in here. Kind of like this. You can kind of see like the example here has an actual pen and all that. But it's so cute. Here is the barcode for that one. Remember that they come in different styles, different shapes and all that, and different purses. So it might vary for you to check the actual SKU number for each one or whatever, but these are all $1.50. You guys remember when I tell you guys to always look the top shelf, always look the top shelf. What do we do, Shy? Always check the top shelf. All these up here, all these scooters up here are $4, and they retail to like $20, I think, or $21, but they're all $4. So this is the one here, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a barcode really quick. I'm trying to talk really loud and the music is super loud here. I don't know why. I'm trying to find the barcode for you guys, which is right over here. So that is a barcode for that. Again, I checked this one. This one's still normal price. This one went down $100, so now it's like, I think, $300 versus the $400 that it was priced at. This one here is the little Tykes chopping dino trike. It retails to $70, and it's actually $17. So $17 for this one over here. Here is the barcode for that. You guys, I'm in heaven. I'm in clearance heaven. Remember, if you guys are local, this is the store over in Sanford. So Sanford, Reinhardt Street, Road, Avenue, whatever it is. That's where I'm at. These over here, I don't know if you guys remember, I bought a whole bunch of them for $4, but now they are on clearance for $9. So still not bad if you're still on the hunt for these. These are normally $40 and they're on clearance for $9. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the barcode if I can find it for this one. It's right here. This one over here was $20 and now it is $5. It is the Melissa and Doug Blues Clues. Here's a barcode for that. Also, this whole entire section is on clearance. I just only scanned this one. I mean, it has a tag already on it, but it says that it's 21, but it's not 21. It's a lot cheaper than that. This store has a lot of clothes on clearance. So all those men's shirts over there are only $1. Then over by the little boys section, we have a couple pants for $4 that retail to $17. This one retails to $11, $4 now. This one here retails to $8 and now it's only $2, $3, $4. And then over here, I think we have some US Polo, or some of these here are only $3. These are like some joggers, more little joggers for $3. Oh, and then here is what I was talking about. The US Polo ones were almost $17 and now they're $3. So I spent a total of 3 hours at the store. 3 hours at this location. I think I am done, honestly. I didn't even really buy a lot. I only bought two toys, honestly. I did see a local follower at checkout. She bought a whole bunch of toys, so I'm glad that she scored because I posted it and I told everybody to run to this location because there was a lot of toys. But I'm trying to be a better person this year. I'm not trying to like overspend and overbuy. I did a lot of that last year and I kind of like kicked myself in the head a lot for overbuying, even though I do donate and give away a lot of things. But I'm trying to like be more financially conscious on what I do with my money instead of buying like so many toys and then I open them up and then I play with them. But yeah, anyways, you guys, thank you for watching. If you guys are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the bell for all notifications to be updated on when I do post new videos. And yeah, you guys, it's Friday. have fun, have a safe and happy weekend. Don't forget Monday is the day for Ross. I want to see you guys bright and early. If you guys are local, make sure you guys are coming up to me and say hi. Hit up your Ross. If you guys don't know what exactly I'm talking about Ross, make sure you guys are headed over to my other YouTube video and see what the whole Ross hype is all about. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.